you've lifted me through it all. I pray our love never fades away. You bring me thoughts that overwhelm, my dear. Slow down, my love, or you'll sweep me near. No trace of anger in your gentle gaze. Even without a touch, you light my days. Hold me close in your warm, tender hold. Even without a meal, my heart grows bold. With you I'm shielded from the world's cruel storm. Problems dissolve in your loving form. Your face glows like an angel from above. You don't even know the depth of my love. Oh, you don't need jewels to shine so bright. Your natural grace steals the endless night. Let me cherish you, make our worlds entwine. In this pure romance, forever you're mine. Let all the blame fall upon my soul. I leave this world to keep you whole. Rather than suffer in shadow so deep, forget the pain our promises keep. Me, I'm on my endless delight. My love through every night. My love so pure and true. My love, just me and you. Te amo from depths untold. My love, in your arms I hold. I love you, 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 baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you deeply. My angel so fine. I love you truly. Forever you'll shine. Don't ever leave me, my sweet tender one. Stay by my side till the rising sun. Baby, I love you in every way. Baby, I love you, come what may. I love you, I love you, I love you. Your pretty face like a dawn soft kiss, curves that enchant in blissful abyss, legs that mesmerize in graceful flight. When you bend